Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us. My name is Sean Drawny. I'm a partner solution architect at Stripe. Today, I wanted to share this short video demonstrating an application I've been working on for the past couple of months to basically demonstrate how commerce might function in the future, and specifically leveraging Stripe's agent toolkit, which allows agents to interact with Stripe directly. A couple caveats here. I am not a software engineer, so in conjunction with my favorite LLM, I've been able to build this application. And I had a couple principles. One is that it would have been a lot easier to use a vertical solution that incorporates voice, an LLM, a database, all of those things to reduce latency. But I specifically wanted to make something that was composable, that in my mind represented what a lot of organizations would probably be looking at first, is how to bring various systems together and what that experience could be like. So as part of this application that I've built, I've got a lot of names that you guys will be familiar with, such as Twilio for messaging, Salesforce as a system of record, OpenAI's ChatGPT powering not only an orchestrator LLM, but specific agent LLMs. Pinecone is a vector database to help enrich some of the conversational aspects that you have with the agents. And then lastly, 11 Labs for voice to text and text to voice. And of course, Stripe to handle the payments. So there's two videos here. The first video will demonstrate simple onboarding flow, while the second video will demonstrate this very near future of where payments becomes nearly frictionless. So hopefully you get something out of this. Again, I'm not a software engineer, so this isn't, you know, the perfect architecture, but it's been a great learning experience. And there's some downfalls here. One is, latency. So if you're willing to stick around and watch for a couple of minutes, hopefully you'll get something out of it. Thank you. Okay, let's get into this. The first video will be myself talking to the agent and going through a onboarding process to buy a toy from a merchant.
Thanks for contacts. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'd like to buy something.
Sure, I can help you with that. Could you please provide me with your phone number to check if you have an existing account?
Yeah, my phone number is +614.
Let's get you set up. What's your first name?
John
Thanks, John. What's your last name?
Coltrane.
Great. What's your email address?
John Coltrane at example.com.
Last step. Please choose a password.
Tornado.
Great. Your profile is set up. Please enter the 6-digit OTP we sent you.
118431.
You're verified. What would you like to do now?
I'd like to buy a gift for my kid. What do you have?
Got a little adventurer at home? The Shark Bite toy is perfect for those who love high seas excitement. The Manta Stinger toy is a great gift that balances fun and learning, impressing both kids and parents. And for a gift that stands out, Gorilla Grip is sure to make you the coolest gift giver around. Would you like more details on any of these? Would you like to hear more, or go to checkout?
Can you tell me more about the Shark Bite toy?
The Shark Bite toy turns bath time into an exciting ocean adventure with its chomping jaws and interactive play features. Ready to dive into some aquatic fun? Would you like more details on any of these? Would you like to hear more or go to checkout?
How much does it cost?
The Shark Bite toy costs 80 €. Would you like to purchase it or check out now?
I'd like to buy it.
Great. I've sent the checkout link to your phone. You should receive it momentarily.
Okay, so I've just got it.
You can't access the product agent until the previous steps are complete. Great news. Your purchase for 80,000 AUD was successful.
Okay, so other than me saying, okay, so I've just got it, that was basically the onboarding process for this application where we were able to speak with an agent. Obviously, there's a bit of latency there, but it created me as a contact within Salesforce, captured some identity information for me, validated me with a one-time password through Twilio. Then we went through a very basic sort of product browsing process where, okay, describe what I want, got an explanation of the products that were both in Stripe as products, as well as Pinecone, which had some extra information and details around the products. Then we went to understanding the pricing and then went through a checkout process through Stripe with the addition that it was saving my card payment details through that process. In the end, I was able to then check out, and the system was then listening for the webhook from Stripe to acknowledge that it was paid. So in the next video, what I'll do is go through that same process, but as a returning customer. Now, granted, the narrative isn't that exciting, but hopefully you'll see some of the speed and advantage that agentic commerce can bring to this upflow.
Thanks for contact. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'd like to buy something, please.
Sure, I can help you with that. Can I have your phone number to check if you have an account with us?
Yeah, my phone number is +614.
Welcome back, John. We found your account. Please enter the 6-digit OTP we sent you.
552790.
That OTP was incorrect. Please try again.
552790.
You're verified. What would you like to do now?
Yeah, I'd like to buy a toy for niece. What do you have?
We have the Manta Stinger toy, a durable and safe playmate fit for the wildest adventures. Then there's the Shark Bite toy, making bath time a thrilling ocean escapade. Lastly, the Gorilla Grip toy, a versatile companion for busy little hands. Would you like more details on any of these?
How much does the Gorilla Grip toy cost?
The Gorilla Grip toy costs 90 €. Would you like to purchase it or check out now?
Yeah, I'd like to buy it.
Thanks. I've charged card ending in 4242 for Gorilla Grip toy for 90 €. I've also arranged to have it sent to your usual address with your preferred delivery method.
Awesome. So you can see that that's gone through with very little friction. Now, obviously, you might want to put some more controls in. And if I go to my Stripe account, you can see that that was a real transaction that actually occurred. for my pseudonym, John Coltrane. So hopefully you found that interesting. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to share what I've learned throughout this process.